going nuts. This is a great fish. Woo, baby! That's huge. All right. Look at that big fish. Nice fish. Down again. When he comes up here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let him go. Maybe he'll jump for us. Oh, look at that. He jumped. This is what I call teamwork. One guy's holding the rod and the other guy's reeling. This is unbelievable. Yeah, they're all academics. Yeah.
How many doctors does it take to get to reel a fish?
2 pounds. Stop reeling? Yep, stop reeling. John is on a big one here. He's got all the technique down.
Crazy. That is fun.
Look at this nice fish.
Hey, John, let me have a...
Nice fish. Here's all our fish at the end of the day. All around 20 to 25 pounds. So we've been on this fish now for about, I don't know, almost 10 minutes here. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Nice fish. Nice fish. Okay, Bob's reeling in a fish here. He jumped. We wouldn't have seen that small to you yesterday. Coming into the boat. Get a look at him. Oh, nice fish. It's about 20 pounds. Well, here's our fish at the end of the day. Take a look at him. Been laying him out all nice and pretty like we usually do. And there's a couple more in the tray there. Nice fish. Here's us coming out of the harbor. John behind us, coming out of the harbor. Beautiful fish. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it when they do that. They are so acrobatic on these plugs. Get a good camera shot up here.
That's a fish.
Al, what else do you want? Nice fish. Yeah, that's a good one. Now we're on our way home. After a good day's fishing. And when we get in the harbor, we'll show you all the fish.
Paradise with Sam.
Holy moly.
Yeah, these are
Salmon on
four nice sized fish.
Oh my gosh.
My buddy's from San Diego.
I'm hoping.
There's a very large coho. This is probably one of the largest coho I've caught out here. This guy's probably a good 18 pounds. In fact, we're gonna get a picture of him, I think, when he comes in the boat. Nice fish. This one's about 24 pounds. He's an upgrade. So we haven't been videotaping the fish, holding them up after we get them in the box, but this fish is our last fish of the day, and he's a good fish to end on because he is a good fish. He's around 30 pounds. Nice fish.
Nice fish.
Just like a coho did. So I think Al has the fish of his life on here. This fish is peeled line. Let's take a look at the reel. Just peeled half the line off the reel right away. We thought there's lots of whales around, so we thought maybe we got into a whale. No, I'm just kidding. So this is the fish that Al just got in. It's a monster fish. It's at least 35 pounds. And or it's maybe just around 35 pounds. Beautiful fish. Al, what a good job bringing in the fish. Oh yeah. Oh, there's guys.
Good day, good fishing.
Thank you, Sam.
Good company, good captain. Let's get this guy in here.
This fish is going nuts. This is a great fish.
Let's
Beautiful
get him in the
fish.
boat, Matt. Put that video camera away.
No way. This is a great fish. He just came out of the water, did some cartwheels for us.
Okay.
Okay,
So we
come
got,
back and get the rod.
So David's gonna get the rod here. This is we call this the tribute to New Mexico, this fish.
Yeah, I think that's good. Don't move anymore.
That's a really nice fish. That's a really nice fish right here.
That is a fat fish. End of the day here. Got a lot of them here. We didn't get a lot on video because we were too busy catching fish, but rod down.
Put that camera away. Let's get this fish in the boat. Get the fish in the boat.
It's a nice fish here. Boy, it's a beautiful fish. Bill's got a fish on here that's been pretty lively. Acrobatics.
Jump right out.
Yeah. This is Dee trying to hold up his fish. He can't really because it's so
Oh,
big.
what a fish!
Probably about 35 pounds. Nice fish.
All right, guys.
Fish is going nuts. This is a great fish.